this is this week's harvest. I've been on holidays the last 2 weeks, so I couldn't pick up the flowers. Many blooms are already way too open, so I didn't grab them. I just let them for the bees because they also love them very much. But I'm really happy with what I have this week. I'm getting back to having lilies. I already took the pollen stems except this one. You can see it here. I'm just gonna do a close-up, maybe a little bit so you can see it. So they look gorgeous, but this just stains so very much. And look at this. It just stains very, very much. So I normally remove them when I pick up the flowers. However, this one I think was not entirely open. I'm getting most of the lilies spent now, except a few. I'm also getting my first harvest of sunflowers. How can you not love them? I mean, they have a lot of pollen, but they're just gorgeous. I just I just love them so very much. Look, so for example, this lily is spent already. I'm gonna remove this head. It's still gorgeous and they smell wonderful, but I feel like this doesn't do much for me. I prefer to have the ones that are starting to open now. You can still see one, two here. I have another one here. So I decided to use an old beer jug that I now use for as a vase. I'm getting lots of sunflowers. They're more or less this size. I also have like smaller ones. I'm going to show you around here. So you can see these are normally the sizes that I get. It's a multi-flowering sunflower. It's sold as Autumn Beauty. However, I think just because I collect seeds every year from one, they must have mixed somehow, and now I'm getting this sunflower that gives me many heads, and they're like smaller size but still very, very beautiful. I'm very happy with it. And of course I'm getting gladioli. I get gladioli all the time, maybe every 2 or 3 days I get new blooms. I try to pick them up at their prime when they're this way. I picked these flowers about 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. Oh, this is another lily that's starting to bloom right now. It's really beautiful, really, really beautiful. However, I find it very sensitive, and I find that as soon as it opens up this way. So the good thing is they smell wonderful. They're really, really gorgeous when you look at them. But as soon as they open up, they start losing petals. These ones do too. The Stargazer does too. However, this one lasts me about 4 days, and you can see I still have these two heads that are gonna open up. So this one lasts about a week, maybe 8 days. But this one, as soon as they open up the heads, I pick them up like this when they're this closed, and then as they open, they smell wonderful. They have also the pollen in them is not orange, it's kind of red, a very dark red, so that's really beautiful too. But I find that the leaves just fall off very easily. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing, but I don't mind. I still love them. I just love my sunflower blooms. They're just so, so, so gorgeous. You guys cannot see them, but they are so cute. I'm gonna... Okay, so as you can see, sunflowers, I get different sizes. I love these ones because I can actually use them with other flowers. This size is beautiful too. I did get some that were like huge, but I just cut those ones off, and I'm waiting for for them to branch out, just like zinnias. This year I'm not having very much luck with zinnias. I find that they do not root, so I have very few stems. I'm not gonna have many, but the ones that I have, I'll really enjoy them. Glads, I have this corally pink one, which I love, let me tell you. It's just gorgeous. Take it out. So, I mean, the camera just doesn't do it justice. It's just the most beautiful coral peach. This one is off red, like, you know how you like La Belle Epoque tulips because they're kind of brownish. They're like pink but brown but white but coral. They like change colors. This one is the same. I don't remember the name. I'll try to find it out from where I ordered them. But I really, really love this gladiola. Gladioli. Just gorgeous. And it gives many, many blooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Because I cut the branch just to make them last longer. I cut the tip. For example, here, you can see that, sorry. So here you can see I did not cut the tip. Oh, yes, I did. So you see, I cut the tip so they bloom all the way. Because if you don't cut the tip, these ones end up sometimes blooming, sometimes not. But if you cut it out, they also get more resistant. And I find that they're really, really gorgeous. Let me just later on blooming more. But anyway, yeah, this was this week's harvest. I really, really love it. I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with the colors that I'm getting, especially this dark red, along pink, and along this. Just looks beautiful. I mean, these ruffles are just gorgeous. Well, I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next time.